big problem for the younger generation, from my perspective, is guys like me with no or gray hair. We tend to have this gum on our shoe of all of these requirements and protocols and practices that we have to execute that don't exist for the new ones coming in. They don't have the gum on their shoe and they can't wear my shoes. So they have to learn some of those, whereas the opportunity to affect change by having a brand new field or a clean slate to start with is really important to them coming in and becoming the leaders of the future. So we have a dichotomy there between having to do the things that we have to do to support these programs that run forever, at the same time not having to relearn all of those practices, but have a method for them to actually do the things we want to do in terms of leadership. So that's the difference that I see from that perspective. The other piece of it, when I was going through my master's, I did recognize, as part of the research that we had done, that most college graduates today fully expect, if they plan that far in advance, to have 5, 6, or 7 different careers in different industries. So for aerospace, the challenge is not just how many can we capture and keep for a life cycle, a full-term, full-life career, but how many can we attract from other industries when they're ready to move on to that next level, that next career that they want to have. That's a big issue from my perspective, because if we don't have that exciting opportunity to create something new, and they have to be bogged down with relearning the regulations that we've all had to learn for the last 50 years, they will tend to say, no, I'm going to go somewhere else where I don't have that issue. I can go in another industry that is as exciting as aerospace, but doesn't have all of that baggage that I have to carry along for the rest of my career as well. So I think those are the two issues that we need to deal with in building the aerospace leaders of the future. They're out there, they're available, we're graduating people that have an interest, but they're jumping to too many other career and industry opportunities and not coming into aerospace at the rates that we need them to come in. As we're going through our transitions here, and quite frankly, I hope 20 years from now I will retire, I'll have that opportunity to know that there's somebody coming behind that will keep the business running.